Dog breeds that don't bark much. Tired of nosy neighbors complaining about your barking pup? Or maybe you're dreaming of a quiet companion for your apartment lifestyle? Well, what if I told you there are adorable dog breeds that barely bark at all? Yup, they're real, they're lovable, and they're surprisingly silent. Stick around till the end. The last breed on the list will definitely surprise you. Before we jump in, kindly hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and makes sure you never miss a video made for dog lovers like you. Let's dive into 7 dog breeds that keep it low-key and low volume. Why barking matters. Dogs bark for all kinds of reasons: protection, boredom, even joy. And that excessive barking that can turn a cute companion into a nosy nuisance. Whether you live in a small space, have thin walls, or just enjoy peace and quiet, choosing the right breed makes all the difference. Top quiet dog breeds. Let's meet the chillest dogs in the canine kingdom. Number 1. Basenji. The barkless dog. This African breed doesn't bark at all. Instead, they make a unique Yoda-like sound called a baru. Clean, independent, and cat-like, the Basenji is perfect for silent seekers. Number 2. French Bulldog. The quiet charmer, friendly, affectionate, and surprisingly quiet. They'll grunt or snore more than they'll bark. Ideal for apartments and city dwellers. Number 3. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The regal lounger known for their gentle, affectionate nature. They love people, but rarely feel the need to raise their voice. Perfect lapdog with royal vibes. Number 4. Shiba Inu. The silent ninja, independent and tidy. The Shiba Inu isn't big on barking. When they do speak, it's often for a good reason. Just don't challenge their stubborn sigh. Number 5. Greyhound. The couch potato racer. These racing champs are surprisingly calm and quiet. Fast outside, lazy indoors. They're tall, elegant, and barely make a peep. Number 6. Whippet. The greyhound's little cousin. Similar to greyhounds, but smaller. Quiet, gentle, and great with families or solo owners. They adore cuddles over chaos. Number 7. Bernese Mountain Dog. The gentle giant, big but mellow. These dogs are sweet, calm, and bark only when necessary. Perfect for families wanting a chill, protective companion. So whether you're in a studio apartment or just love your peace and quiet, these breeds bring companionship without the chaos. But remember, even the quietest dog can get loud if they're bored, untrained, or neglected. Exercise, socialization, and love go a long way. Think one of these quiet cuties could be your perfect match. Don't just scroll by. Hit that like button to show some puppy love. Subscribe for more smart pet tips, and drop a comment telling us which breed stole your heart.